Good evening to one and all. I am Dr. Divyala Srinivasarao. Presently, I am working as Associate Professor in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in Lakkireddy Balreddy College of Engineering. I am working from the last 10 years in this college. I have total 20 years of teaching experience in various engineering colleges throughout my career. I am applying for Best Teacher Award for the following achievements throughout my career. The first one is I am qualified in UGC NET examination. Second one is I am recognized as NPTEL star by IIT Madras. Third one is I am acting as a reviewer for Elsevier Journal, and fourth one is I am acting as editorial member for Edwin Group of Journals, and fifth one is I ratified two times by JNTU Kakinada in 2014 and 2025. Sixth one is I have an educational YouTube channel. The channel name is Divyala Srinivasarao. It has 59,400 subscribers and 16 million views. I also got Best Researcher Award in 2022. So these are the achievements I have.